Guys, today topic AWS, how to use AWS means how to register AWS first. So then after, so how many regions we have and how many availability zones we have in each region, and how to launch AWS instance. Today I'm going to discuss. Okay, so here, yeah, so if you want to log in AWS, you can use aws.amazon. okay, so amazon.com. so this is our site. Okay, so in this location you can log in AWS account. So here, go to my account, select AWS management console, select AWS management console. So here only you can log in directly. If you have username and password. If you don't have any username and password, below you can see create a new AWS account. Create a new AWS account. Create it. Yeah. So here you need to give your email ID and account name. Okay, so you can give your email ID, and account name is nothing but in your name, whatever it is. For example, here it is not taken. Why? Because it's already there. So here you can mention account name is nothing but any name. For example, KVS or VHG, like that. Okay, so after that, try to verify your email account. So here you will get email verification code. Okay, so try to enter verification code and proceed it. Once it is completed, so you will get one more page. That page is related to your information. Okay, your home address and your whether it is as a student or employee. So those are the things it will ask. Once it is completed, so here you need to register AWS account. Okay, so you can add in your credit card or debit card details. Why? Because so they will charge only 2 rupees for verification purpose. Okay, so they will charge only 2 rupees for verification purpose. So this complete AWS account up to 1 year, it will be free. Okay, so limited services, so it will be free up to 1 year. So if you want to add if you want to use few more services, means it depends. So here we have a capacity is there. For example, so if you want to launch any one instance, means that minimum capacity up to 30 GB. So if you want to use more than that, so you need to pay some amount like that. So in our AWS also, so you can use limited. Okay, so within the year. Clear? So if you want to more details, means yeah, so try to register like that. Okay, so here if you want to follow complete, means so here you can see this one. Okay, how to register AWS account. So this is my channel. You can go through this one completely, you can follow up. Okay, so that is one more thing. And then after, yeah, so coming to AWS Global Infrastructure. I'm going to show you so what are the regions we have and how many availability zones in each region. I'm going to show you. So please observe here, AWS Global Infrastructure. So here, come down. Yeah, let me increase this one. Yeah, So this is a July 2021 latest picture. Okay, so here AWS, Amazon Web Services, it is in first place. Second place Microsoft Cloud, means this is Azure. Okay, so third place Google. Then after Alibaba, Oracle, IBM products. So these are all like nowadays list. So this is first place. Okay, so that's why everyone preferring like Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure platform. Clear everyone? So then after come down. So please observe in this picture. So in this picture we have regions. So these are all regions. Okay, so yeah, so these are all regions. For example, if you go to Australia, so we have Sydney. Okay, availability zones means three availability zones. Availability zones means data centers. We can call it as data centers. Okay, so please observe here. So this is region. So orange color it is showing coming soon. For example, in our India, so Mumbai we have region, and coming to like Hyderabad, it will coming soon. Okay, so we have few more like regions. Like if you please observe it like this. Okay, so these are all regions. So these are all coming soon. Okay, clear everyone? So what is region, what is availability zones means regions are, so each country there are maintaining particular availability zones. Okay, so every region, so they will providing some availability zones, means so each availability zone they can maintain some data centers. Okay, so they can maintain data centers. For example, assume like that this is my like region. Okay, so this is my region. So let me take India. So we have this is region. Okay, so in this region so there are maintained 3 availability zones in our Mumbai. Okay, so this is 1A, this is 1B, this is 1C. Okay, so we can call it as these are all data centers, 1A and 1B, and this is 1C. Clear? So this is, we can call it as data center. So data center 1, data center 2, data center 3, like that. So every region we have like at least minimum depends 2 availability zones or 3 availability zones. Okay, 3 availability zones. So here in our India, how many availability zones we have? Mumbai location 3. Okay, so like that we can consider. Okay, availability zones 3. Clear? So if you want to see that availability zones, I'm going to show you AWS Data Centers. AWS Data Centers. If you want to see that data centers also, I will show you in real times. Yeah, so you can see this is data center. Okay, so this data center looking like a one football ground. So they can like maintain like this. Inside, if you want to see inside, see, please observe. So these many data centers. Okay, so these are all racks. So this is first rack, second rack, third rack. So each rack, so there are maintained some rack servers. So these are all rack servers. Okay, so these are all rack servers. So in the rack servers there are maintaining some data. For example, we have here some apps. For example, Amazon Prime, okay, Netflix, and we have AHA. Okay, so these are all apps. Assume like that, consider. So there are storing some movies or web series. Okay, so that series is everything stored into which location? Clouds, isn't it? So that clouds are maintaining some data centers. So each data center there are using some racks. racks of servers. Clear my point?
Yes.
Yeah. So like that, there are maintaining some data centers. So each region we have different types of data centers. Why there are using this many data centers? Sometimes any power issue happen, sometimes any earthquake also happen. So one data center is not available means another data center it will like we can use it. Yes or no? So one data center also not available, so we can use another data center. Clear? So that's why there are using different data centers. Clear? If you want to see the data centers in this location, so try to log in now. So let me log in. I have my like email ID and password. Yes, so this is complete dashboard, guys. So go to services. First of all, you should go to services. So here we can see different services here. Okay, so these are all services. So I'm going to like take one by one, depends upon DevOps. So in this AWS we are not using for like we not only using for DevOps, we can use for like AI, artificial intelligence also we can use it, and blockchaining purpose also we can use it, and database purpose also we can use it, and games designing purpose and game development purpose also we can use it. Okay, so these are our services. So please observe here. So I can see blockchain services, I can see like some like game development services. Okay, machine learning. Okay, so machine learning, so robotics, so satellites, so everyone, so they can using AWS. Okay, so if you like learn AWS platform, so anywhere you can go it, means so you, how to work, like these are the services you should know about. Clear? So here I am going to cover, so the for me, so as a DevOps person, so you should know about, at least you should know about, so compute. So compute we have servers. Okay, so how to launch EC2 instance, and how to use that servers, and what is the benefit of servers, means whether it is down also how to handle that servers. So those are the things you can using on EC2. EC2 is nothing but elastic cloud computing. EC2 is nothing but elastic cloud computing. Okay, so here we are trying to maintaining our servers. We are trying to maintaining our servers so that we can use EC2 instance. Okay, so coming to like containers, we are using some containers. Why? Because we are using for environment maintaining purpose. So Docker level, Docker point of view, while deployment in time, we are using some containers here. And we have a databases. We have some databases like RDS, relational databases, and MongoDBs, dynamic DBs. So all the DBs are stored in this location. Okay, so I'm going to explain briefly, guys, please observe, and later we will discuss in depth. Clear? So after that, coming to security identity. Security means we are no one hack our servers or no one hack our accounts, so that we can maintaining our security and identification purpose. We are maintaining IAM. IAM is nothing but image, like Amazon images also we are maintaining, and manage access also we are maintaining, and storage purpose. If you want to store our audio files, video files, everything we can storing purpose, we are using storages. Storage is nothing but basically we are using S3 bucket, we can call it as S3 bucket. So storage purpose we are using S3 and S3 Glacier. Clear? So these are the services basically we are using in our AWS. Clear, everyone? So like that you can see all the services here. And coming to here, so this is your account. Whenever you created any like account, you can see your name and account. Go to account, so you can see your account details. Yeah, so you can see your contact information. While register time, you they will ask some content information and account settings and everything, so you can go through this one. Okay, so this is about account details. And payment methods also you can see it. Yes, payment method, so it is attached into my credit card, so that you can see it everything. Okay, yeah, so this is about payment gateway and everything. And go to home location. So here please observe, here we have a global, right? So whenever you click global, so you can see all the regions. I'm going to show you first. Go to Ec2 Instance first. Yeah, so here so these are all regions. Okay, these many regions are available. These many regions are available. Clear? So here North Virginia, Ohio, California, so we have Hong Kong, Singapore, Tokyo, all the regions are available. So depends upon countries, they are using these many regions. Every region we have different availability zones. For example, if you take North Virginia, so yeah, so come down, how many zones are available? We have 1A, 1B, 1C up to 1F, availability zones. Means these are all data centers. Clear? So you can use any one data centers, otherwise automatically it is taking any one data center. Okay, so like that we are trying to take availability zones. So here go to Ec2 dashboard. In this Ec2 dashboard, so how many instance running? So it is showing 0. So instance 1, I'll means last class I launched one instance, so that I can see 1. Okay, so volumes, key pairs, security groups, elastic IP load balancing, snapshot, everything you can see it here only. Clear everyone? Like that you need to register. First of all you should register, so then after you can take any one region. After that you can go and launch any particular instance. So here I am in US East North Virginia location. Clear? Now I am going to show you how to launch instance. If you want to launch any instance, you should go to Ec2 dashboard first of all. So then after launch instance, here try to select launch instance. Yeah, here while launching time it is asking some details. So first of all, name you can mention like Red Hat Linux operating system, and after come down. So these are all official images. You can select particular official image. For example, this is Red Hat Linux. So guys, these are all operating systems. Okay, I am selecting Red Hat operating system. So Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 version it is I am taking. This is free tier eligibility. Okay, so it's completely free tier. And after that come down, instance type. So instance type we have T2 micro. It's a free tier eligibility. If you want to more capacity, means you can like increase your capacity also, but you need to pay some amount. So if you use T2 small or T2 medium or T2 large, so you need to pay some amount. Why? Because so depends upon capacity, they are trying to charge. Okay, so here you can use only free tier eligibility. Okay, so after that come down, let me take free tier T2 micro. So then after come down, key pairs. So here you need to create new key pair. Okay, so new key pair is nothing but if you want to access your server, you need to generate key pairs. Okay, so we have two types of key pairs. One is PEM files and PPK files. PEM files using with our SSH, means our putties. We can use for PPK files for through MobaXterm to connect MobaXterm. Okay, so we have here two types of PEM files. One is .pem or .ppk. You can use any one also to connect our servers. Okay, so let me create one key pair. For example, dev apps. You can use North Virginia otherwise. North Virginia, key pair name North Virginia. Why? Because I am in North Virginia location. Let me create. Yeah, so whenever you create, so below you can see .pem file. .pem file. Yeah, so I can see it, complete .pem file. So this is completely encrypted format. Okay, so you need to do decrypt, otherwise you can't get any passwords. Okay, so that they are using this type of key pair. So this is completely key pair, private key. Okay, so no one hack your servers also. So whenever you created key pair, you can attach that key pair. So here I am attaching that North Virginia key pair. After that, come down. So here security level. Here you can use existing security group, otherwise you can create any new security group. Say security group is nothing but it's a firewall. So our inbound and outbound traffic maintaining purpose, we are using this security group. Okay, so here I'm selecting existing security group and select default. Okay, so after that, come down. So our capacity, how much capacity you want in the server. So free eligibility customer can get up to 30 GB. So you can take 10 GB or 30 GB. Up to 30 GB you can take it. So default it is showing 10 GB. Okay, so root volume it is showing 10 GB. So after that, yeah, so here number of instance 1, it is taking number of instance 1, and come down. So free tier up to it, this is first 1 year. Okay, it's included 750 hours of T2 micro. Okay, so T2 micro up to 750 hours it will free. Yeah, so after that, try to launch your instance. So here we are getting success message, right? So successfully, so it is launched. After that, select that server. So here you can see it, Red Hat Linux and instance ID, means this is your server ID. So state is pending now. Instance type T2 micro. Okay, so T2 micro it is free now. And here you can see availability zone. So automatically it is pick up in US East 1D data center. Automatically it is pick up. We did not select particular availability zone, right? Automatically it is taking. And DNS is nothing but domain name service. For example, so we have Flipkart, right? Flipkart.com. So similarly Amazon.com. So you can use each server, there are maintaining some .com. Okay, .com. So this is default .coms, means DNS default, means this is our EC2 instance IP and domain name, and public IP. So this is public IP, and we will discuss later about elastic IP. And please observe key name North Virginia. Okay, just now we created one key name, right? North Virginia. and launch timing. So today date. Clear. So this is, now it is running now. Okay, so now it is running now. So just now I launched instance, that's it only, but I need to connect this instance. Okay, so I launched only. Now I need to connect, means if you want to use this server means you should connect. So in which location? So you can use 3 methods to connect this server. 3 methods to connect this server. Yeah, so here we already launched one AWS instance, right? So assume like that this is my AWS Ec2 instance. So if you want to use this server, we can use Putty. Okay, so Putty is software, we can use Putty. So here if you want to connect this server means we can use Putty. So through PEM file, okay, through PEM file we are connecting. Otherwise, so in this PEM file we can convert it to PPK file. PEM file we should convert it to PPK file and we can use it. PPK. Clear. So .pem, sometimes it is not supported .pem file, so that we can convert it to PPK file and to connect this Putty server. Okay, so first of all I am going to show you how to install Putty. How to install Putty? First of all you should go to Google and so here type Putty, Putty download or Putty. So this is official site. This is official site. Download Putty software. So here try to download this Putty now. Okay, so try to download this Putty now. So here you can see 32-bit and 64-bit. Okay, depends upon your like laptop configuration, you can download it. Okay, let me download. For my laptop I am using X86. Let me select that one. So I can see Putty now. Once it is download is completed, you need to install this Putty. Okay, once download is completed, you can install this putty.exe. So how to install? I hope you already know, right? Just right click, run as administrator, select next, finally finish. Okay, so like that you need to install. After that, so whenever you install, you can see so this type of Putty. Okay, Putty is like this, looking like this. Putty looking like this. So here yeah, Putty Gen also there. We have Putty Gen. Putty Gen basically we are converting to PEM file to PPK file. Okay, so that public files so we are converting to private keys. Okay, so that we are using Putty Gen and coming to Putty to connect our servers. So here first of all let me take Putty Gen. Close this one. Yeah, so first of all you should connect Putty Gen and load your file. You downloaded one file, right? That file name, what is that file name? Tell me guys. What is that file name? That file name is North Virginia. Clear. So you can take that file. And you will get this type of message, successfully imported foreign key and save as private key. And are you do you want to save this key? Yes. After that you can like save as .ppk. Okay, so keys. So here like North Virginia, we can take it as NV. Okay, NV and save it. Why? Because I already given complete name, right? So that I maintained NV and close it. So here you downloaded that file in this location, North Virginia. Copy this one, okay, and pasting into my desktop. I have keys AWS and paste it here. So this is my PEM file. Convert it to PPK file, Putty private key file. Okay, so this is normal file. I converted to PPK file. Clear about this one?
Yes.
Okay, once it is completed, you need to connect that server. So if you want to connect that server, so here we need to take public IP. Okay, so here I can see instance ID, public IP and private IP. So each server you can see two IPs. One is public IP, second one is private IP. So copy that public IP, go to which location? Putty, and paste that IP address and default port number 22. Default port number for Putty 22. Interview point of view also they will ask, may know what is that port number of like Putty. Okay, so you can explain Putty 22 port number. Okay, so this is your public IP. So after that select SSH. Here try to expand it, and here I can see AUTH means authentication. Okay, so in this authentication you need to browse that PPK file. So which file I need to browse it? NV, right? North Virginia. So you can select that one and try to open it. So try to open it. It is asking like some alert message. Okay, so you can accept it. After that it is asking login as. So do you know this username? If you want to login means you need to connect this server, but it is asking login details. Do you know this login details? You don't know, right? So if you don't know means we have a option. You can connect to. We have a connect button. You can connect it. Okay, you can connect it. Select EC2 instance content. So here I can see username. What is username? EC2-user. Okay, so in this location I am entering EC2-user and enter it. So like that I can connect my server. Okay, so like that I can connect my server. Clear? Do you have idea how to connect server? Do you want to repeat? Tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Okay, yeah, so like that you can connect servers. And yeah, so this is first method, method 1. So similarly, so we have second method also. So through MobaXterm also we can connect our servers. We can connect our servers. So yeah, let me take one more EC2 instance. Otherwise you can take same EC2 instance also. So AWS EC2 instance. So we already launched one EC2 instance, right? So this time I am using one more method. So we can use, so this time MobaXterm application. MobaXterm. So here through directly we can use .pem file. .pem file we can use it directly. Okay, so first of all, how to like download MobaXterm I'm going to show you. Then after, how to connect to like .pem file, using .pem file to MobaXterm, how to connect that particular server, I'm going to show you. Okay, so go to first of all MobaXterm, try to download MobaXterm. Okay, so this is official page, so you can go to downloads page now directly. Okay, so go to downloads. So here I can see two options, one is home edition and the second one is professional edition. So in this location I am selecting download now, free edition. So here I can see two options. Okay, home edition, so this is also home edition, but thing is one is portable edition and second one is installer. So you can use portable edition also, not a problem. So you can see zip file. Okay, below you can see zip file. So once download is completed, you need to unzip this one. You should unzip this one. Then after, once unzip is completed, yeah, show in folder. Open when done. Yeah, so here I can see, so this application, okay, it is looking like a .zip file, right? You need to unzip this one. Once unzip is completed, so this application you need to install it. Clear? Once installation is completed, so in search bar you can type MobaXterm. So this is your application. Finally you can see like this. So yeah, using MobaXterm also you can connect our servers. So if you want to connect MobaXterm, means go to sessions, go to session, and here I can see few more options. Select select SSH. Okay, so select SSH. So here I can see public IP, means remote host is nothing but you can give public IP. Specify user, you should mention your username. Port is 22. Okay, so let me copy that public IP. Go to instance, select Red Hat Linux and copy. Okay, yeah, so here paste it and specify username. What is our default username? Tell me guys, what is our default username?
EC2 user.
EC2-user. Okay, so after that select advanced settings, and here I am selecting my PIM file. Okay, so select this checkbox and try to attach that PIM file. Where is my PIM file? So this is my PIM file, North Virginia. Okay, so try to connect the server. Yeah, so successfully I connected this particular Red Hat server. Okay, using .pem file. I connected. Okay, through MobaXterm also we can connect in the server. So this is method 2. We have one more method also if you want to connect respected servers. So let me connect with through GitHub. So we have same server. Let me take same server. Okay, this time I am trying to connect GitHub. Let me connect with GitHub or Git. Through Git also we can connect, means, so here we can use through commands. So I'm going to show you how to use this method 3 also. So please focus how to connect with the commands also we can discuss. So first of all, you should go to which location? git page. Okay, so you should go to Google, type git also one software. Okay, so we can use for, it is also acting like that terminal, it is also acting like that terminal, so that we can use this git application also. So if you want to download this git, means we have a option download for Windows, so just download for Windows. So I can see 32-bit and 64-bit, so download 64-bit. Clear? So download 64-bit. So once it is download is completed, you need to install this terminal also. You should install this git terminal also. Clear? Whenever you install that git software, right click here, I can see this type of logos. Okay, so here I can see this type of logos, means so you need to open the terminal. You should open the terminal. So here right click here and open git bash. Open git bash. So this is terminal. If you want to increase this size, I am using control and plus button. Control plus button and press LL. Okay, so here I can see nv.ppk and nv.pem file. Okay, so here your PEM files are stored into in this location, right? That location only you should open that in this terminal. Why? Because so that you need to connect this PEM file. You need to using this git bash terminal to connect this PEM file. Okay. So first of all, go to in your instance. So this is your instance, right? Go to connect button. So here I am selecting SSH client. I am selecting SSH client. If you want to connect through git bash using commands, means below you can see example SSH-i so North Virginia.pem file, this is PEM file. EC2-user, this is our username @ and this is domain name. Okay, so domain name. So using this command we can connect respected server. Okay, so this is, you can copy and paste it here, and please observe whether your North Virginia PEM file is there or not. Okay, I can see North Virginia.pem file, and what is this EC2-user username and @ domain name. Okay, so like that you can connect it. Yes, so here it is asking, are you sure, do you want to continue to connecting? Yes, I can connect. Yes, successfully I can connect this server. Clear? So this is third method. So in 3 ways we can connect a particular EC2 instance servers. Clear? You can use Putty, otherwise you can use MobaXterm, otherwise you can use Git also. Clear? So we have 3 methods to connect respected servers. Clear, guys?
Yes, clear.
Yeah, so that's all for today. First of all, you should register in your AWS account. Okay, so if you want to register also, you can go to in this official site. Then after, once registration is completed, okay, once registration is completed, you can come to services, EC2 compute. In this compute we have a EC2, select EC2. Okay, so then after you need to launch any particular server. Okay, you can select respected region, then after you can launch any server. After that, try to launch. Once launch is completed, you can see it instance, how many instance running also you can see it. Okay guys, please note, once your work has completed, you can stop the servers, otherwise you need to like pay some amount. Okay, so that's why better you can stop servers. Once your work has completed, you can stop it. Otherwise, if you don't need the server means you can terminate also. For example, I don't need the server means you can terminate. Clear? Terminate is nothing but it's completely removed. It's completely removed. Clear, everyone? So accordingly we can practice this AWS instance. Clear? So if you want to more details, like I will upload through Google Drive. Okay, please go through that one. Every day I will provide you running notes, at the same times recorded videos also. Okay.